How y'all doing? This one right here was done by asked by request. Individuals asked, could I explain to them where they can get themselves some coins in New York? Okay. It's not as simple as what you think it is, but when it comes down to execution, it's a little bit more difficult. So let me talk. I've been told that I talk too fast. So let me slow down on things I'm saying. I'm going to explain some things to you. In HK Network, I go into more details. Some people don't have the time for it. Some people just want to make themselves some fast and quick money. This is a process of learning the details and let me drop a nuggets for you, and take time out, hour, 2 to 3 hours out of my time once a week, as well as having the tutorials in HK Network. So if you want more details, go in there and you can kind of binge in the HK Network videos of tutorials at the University of HK Network, showing you what you need to do and learn, okay, and how to put these things together. Because what I'm going to talk about here, you can learn more details there, but some of you guys can kind of get what I'm saying, look it up on your own and get it started, okay? All right, so let me explain some things to you first of all. When you're dealing with coins, let me show you something, okay? Let me show you something. Let me show you. Hold on, let me show you. So you're dealing with coins right here, okay? I like to go to CoinGecko. CoinGecko is a nice place to go to when you're dealing with coins, okay? So if you can see right here, I can move some things out the way a little bit. But if you can see right here, CoinGecko is the place you want to go and kind of like find the coins that you want to invest in. So like for some reason, like say you can get the details of it. If it's listed here on CoinGecko, it's official. Okay, that's what I've learned over the years. It's official, and it'll tell you where you can where you can purchase this coin. Like for instance, I spoke about DSO. It'll come right up. Okay, this right here is listed on CoinGecko, and if you scroll down here where it shows, let me get this out the way. It's in my way a little bit. If you scroll down here, you'll see that it has markets. It always shows you the overview of how the coin is performing. You can see a year, 6 months, max. We're talking about actually where you can go purchase them at. So this shows you that you can get this on Coinbase.com. Okay, the reason why I kind of broke that down, I'm trying to help you understand that when you're dealing with wherever you're located, you in the U.S. is regulating where you're going to get your coins at, what coins you can buy and what coins you can't buy. I keep telling you that you're in the type of system that wants to tell you how and when you can make money and what you can and can't purchase. So in New York, you're dealing with one of the known ones is Gemini. Okay, that's an exchange, Gemini exchange, where you can kind of purchase coins. You can download the app, but they ain't being compromised by these two brothers. Okay, so I like to purchase. This is the one I like to purchase with. But if you go on to what I'm showing you, CoinGecko, you can see all the locations that you could purchase it at. So this one, Deso, if I talk about a coin or a coin that you research, go here and it'll tell you where you can go get that coin at. For instance, Coinbase Exchange. A lot of people don't like Coinbase. A lot of people like Coinbase. I kind of like Coinbase. I'll purchase it and then I'll move it off of Coinbase and put it onto my wallet. Either my wallet on my phone or an app. That's a cold wallet that you can download, or you can put it on a ledger. You can get more restricted and more detailed. We teach that in HK Network as well. We have a tutorial breaking down how to move your money to the wallet. Okay. So anyways, if you see right here, Deso, decentralized social coin right here, you can get this on Coinbase.com. Okay. And this is other little places that I'm not familiar with. You can go purchase this coin. Okay. Now let me type up the other one that I spoke of, VRA. But Veracity, okay, comes right up. Boom. There it is. VRA, Veracity. You're not going to be able to get this on Coinbase. You scroll down to markets. You can see the overview, the year, how it's been doing. You can see the market cap, details like that. You can see that. Okay, so scroll down here. You can set yourself up a KuCoin account. I use that as like my backup when I really want something. And then it tells you right here what coin you're going to have to use to exchange it with. Okay, so if you open up an account with KuCoin, okay, you'll have to use USDT to exchange it for VRA, veracity. That's how that works. Okay, that's how you get the coin. Same thing, you can right here, KuCoin is telling you can use USDC to exchange for VRA. Okay, this is how you circumvent. This is one of the locations that you can circumvent dealing with individuals that want like regulatory or states that are trying to stop you from getting coin that you want. Ain't nobody stopping me from coin I want. If I want the coin, I'm going to get that coin. Now, this is the one I like to use a lot, which is Uniswap. So if I see this little horse right here, I'm going to exchange it right here, you know, and then it'll take me and it'll open up. Boom. Watch if I click it because my MetaMask is attached to that. As soon as I click it and open up, watch what happens. Booyah. Uniswap opens up. It has my MetaMask account linked to it. Okay. And it's going to swap Ether for this one. If you notice, let me close this. You know, if I want to buy some, I can. It says it right here. Uniswap, Ether for VRA. They allow you to get it. So you don't click here. You click on here. So you can go to Uniswap and open up your self account. I'll put the link below of CoinGecko so you can know how to get there in the description. But this is how you do it. You know, you can kind of pretty much get any coin you want. It'll tell you where to get it. I like to use VRA. Uniswap. And if Uniswap is not working for me, I'll go and I can't find the coin. I'll set up an account with KuCoin. And when I set up an account with KuCoin, I'll move it, the money, I'll send the money or the tokens over to my wallet, you know, or to and move it to a different address like my wallet so it'll stay in safekeeping until it grows in 2024, 2025. Let me show you another coin. Like if you see some coins that you really want, like what is MetaMask? Let me show you that real quick. Let me show you. This is my MetaMask account. And if you could see, you can exchange from one location to another, you know, have it on different networks. That's a different beast in itself. You have to learn these things if you want to get these gems. And when I talk about gems, I'll tell you, when I tell you about the gem in HK Network, I'll show individuals how to get it, where to get it. Matter of fact, we're going to talk about that this week. On Monday, I'm going to show individuals how to buy a particular coin if they want to buy a coin. Okay. So there is no really hot coins right now that I'm looking at. I already have my coins that I want. But so if you exchange a network, watch this change. Okay. I have one that's on the smart chain dealing with Binance, BNB. So I only have $1 in there. It don't take much to do an exchange here, but I have different coins in here. Different coins that I got, bought, and sold, but you know, over the months and years. If I switch it back to Ethereum, you see that this is my wallet right here. You know, I could send it to my legs, but I kind of be changing. Oh my God, I didn't see this about this Tailcoin. I need to start researching that. I only had myself for under $900 in Tailcoin. Look at it. It then shot all the way up to $5,000. That's ridiculous. I need to look into that. I'll be looking at it after this video. I'm not cutting this out. But if you look right here, that I have my veracity. Where is it at? Veracity, VRA. Oh my God. Am I messing up? But VRA has it went up and shot up at a different price because it showed a ridiculous price, but it's not showing right now. Let me refresh that. Something going on. So this is real time. I ain't gonna cut it out, but let me scroll down. This is so it makes more sense. Things wasn't right. See, they know it acting right. They ain't no $5,000, no Tailcoin. I knew something was wrong. That's about right. So you scroll down, it says something was acting funny and acting fishy. But when you scroll down, there will go my VRA right there. That's right. That's what I've seen. But they was acting crazy. But these are coins that I have invested in, swapped, and trade. And this allows me to pretty much do a lot of things that I want to do and kind of like, you know, take profits and trade. And I ain't got to worry about no, what is it called? I don't have to worry about no New York. I don't have to worry about, because not only do New York do that, California does it, United States period does it. So if anybody's trying to purchase some coins that are in the US, they make it kind of difficult. People use Binance. They'll use in Pancake Swap. You can use Binance with Pancake Swap. You can use Uniswap, like I showed you right there, through MetaMask, and you can get almost any coin you need to get. And if you can't find it through Uniswap or Binance, you can go through what? KuCoin. So those are the kind of three that I use. Mainly I use, if I can't find it on Coinbase.com, and then I'll send it to my address. If I can't find it on Coinbase.com and send it to my ledger address, if I really, really want it, I'll go on my MetaMask account and I'll look under CoinGecko and I'll go to the markets like I showed you, click there and see where it's available. If I see Uniswap, I already have my MetaMask there. I already have different coins there. I'm going to purchase it there. If it shows Binance, BNB and whatnot, I'm going to put it on I'm going to purchase it through the smart chain that I've loaded and attached to my MetaMask account. And I'm going to purchase it there and then it'll stay there and then I'll move it to my ledger. Whatever I do, most of the time I move it to my ledger unless I'm trying to swap and move stuff. That's how I kind of move right there. KuCoin, same thing. I'll purchase it on KuCoin, then I move it there. So KuCoin, Uniswap through MetaMask, and Binance through PancakeSwap. But I locate my coin where I could purchase it at, and also Coinbase and crypto.com. These are the 5 exchanges that I use when I'm trying to buy a coin in the US. So New York, if I was living there, it ain't gonna stop me, because if you stopping me from getting a coin that I cannot find on Coinbase because I'm in New York, or crypto.com won't even let me use crypto.com, it don't matter. I'm gonna set up a MetaMask account if I was in New York, and I'm gonna get my coins there, and I'm gonna send my coins after I purchase them to my ledger. So the name of the game is, if you want to find a coin, when someone's talking about a gem coin, a coin that you really, really like, you go right over here and they talking about it. You go to coingecko.com and you look that bad boy up. You look it up. You find out what coin that is. And then you find something like somebody might be talking to something about, let's see if I can, they might say something about a coin that you really, really want, that Cryptopolis or something. Let's see if I can find it. Let's see if it pops up. I might not be spelling it right. Okay, let's see. Let me see. Let me actually go to my MetaMask and show you what I'm talking about. So say they're talking about a particular coin that you really, really, really want. Okay, let's scroll down. Okay, Reams. Okay, right here, REA, and you want that coin. Okay, so you go over here to CoinGecko and you type it in. Okay, there it is. It popped up right there. You click on it, see where you can get it at. You look up the project. You really like the project. Whatever somebody was talking about the project, you are liking the detail. Look, it's bleeding in the street. Might be a good time to buy if you understand this. You scroll down here. You go to markets like I clicked, and you scroll down and you look. It'll tell you where you can buy it. PancakeSwap is on a different platform, smart chain. That would be on and I have that attached with my MetaMask. This is Uniswap is Ethereum platform. So I have these both attached. I can get this coin. I can get it on Uniswap, or I can get it on BNB. So how would it show over here? This is what it looks like when it's on BNB. It look like this, look like PancakeSwap. Okay, but I have to change to smart chain. I have to change it. Hold on. Let me go over here and change it over here. I change it to smart chain. Now I can use my PancakeSwap. Just open up PancakeSwap and I can go to work and start purchasing things that I want to purchase. This is how you circumvent the, let me just open it up that way. This is as the pool open up. But this is how you circumvent. Let me go back over here and show you. And then let me click it directly from there. I'll click right here because my MetaMask is attached to the same browser and it's open right there. It's saying low risk. It's saying the details. I say I understand and I hit import. I don't want to import it because I'm not purchasing from there. I already have it on my Ethereum because you can purchase this coin either way. This is how you get coins onto the MetaMask, because MetaMask is not at this time right now. It's not regulated, okay? The regulatory system is coming, and they're going to slow people down from purchasing coins via the state you live in, because they don't want you getting wealthy. They don't want you making money. They don't want you making trades like that. So soon, MetaMask is going to be able to do what it do right now, okay? Uniswap ain't going to be able to do what it do right now. BNB and because those areas are decentralized. You can kind of do what you want and get your coins and send it into your ledger and wait in the cut and wait. That's why individuals that live in New York or locations where you want a coin that you watch somebody and you really want this gem coin, you need to get up on this MetaMask. We teach in HK Network how to set that up. Got tutorials in there, but you need to learn MetaMask. Just type in MetaMask in YouTube. Somebody's going to show you how to set it up. Watch it, watch it, watch it 50 times if you have to. Set it up because it's very vital for this 2023 bearish time, okay? Because when 2024 comes, a lot of stuff is going to be going up. It ain't going to be a lot of red and blood in the streets. Coins are going to be going higher and higher and higher, and you want to be in that number. So I just wanted to drop that nugget for you. It don't matter where you live at in New York. If you live out of the country, you can use a VPN, virtual private network, and circumvent and purchase what you need. You have to understand where you live. You live in a place, in a country that does not want you to win. They don't want you becoming wealthy. They don't want you to be creating generational wealth within your family. But unfortunately, they have little loopholes that are legal. So it's legal to purchase through these channels right here and put it into your wallet because they're not regulating it right now. Once they start regulating these areas and telling them that you only can buy this way and that way, telling you what to do and when you and how you can't do it, like they're doing right now with food, what they doing, how we going to work and how we going to make money and how much we can make when we can retire, 401k, CDDs. When they start doing this block exchange like they do on the stock exchange, ooh, that's when things going to change. So you want to get it while the getting is good. All right. Because right now they ain't regulating it. It's legal. Ain't nothing. You can't get in trouble for doing it. So purchase while you can because they're coming with this digital exchange. It's coming with this digital platform and transformational wealth. They're coming. And when they change it and regulate all the areas, telling them what they can and can't do to their citizens, those that were listening and purchasing and setting their things up and making the sacrifices to certain kind of Patreon accounts that people make them pay for, platforms like network people make them pay for privately to learn how to do things like that will be in that number. They'll be prepared for the actual generation of wealth and they'll be able to survive even better. And they'll be retiring really, really, really early and starting new adventures because they understood that this was chess a long time ago on the chessboard, not checkers. Herbert Kareem. Peace.
you.